can bring Mr. Personality.
Huh?
He can bring Mr. Personality.
Oh, thank goodness. We're alive. Aren't you a sight for sore eyes? Nice to see you again, Master.
Please.
Hey, Simon, you know what might be fun?
Oh,
Let's
no.
tell a story of how we first got together. It's a pretty cute story.
Yeah, cute like a 6-week-old puppy with its foot caught in a...
I'll start. Before I came to work for WowWee, I had an important job as the central processing chip in an auto global satellite positioning unit. A black and silver stretch Hummer with gold rims and mahogany interior, owned by a rapper by the name of DJ Protege. And
I know. Now on to the important stuff. I was once the cash distribution processor for an ATM located on the Strip in Las Vegas. All I did was dole out the life savings of poor slobs so they could walk across the street and blow it all in the casino. Some of the losers would come back 4, even 5 times a night until their balance was 0. Talk about job satisfaction.
oh, that sounds awful. I think that my version of how we met is much nicer. Would you like to hear it? All right. Oh, great. At first, my job was fun. Lots of travel, mostly between LA and Las Vegas. During the long trips, I like to chat with other electronic devices. That's when I found out that the limo only got 12 miles to the gallon, and even less in the city. All us electronic devices decided to go on strike just as we reached Las Vegas, which wasn't a very good idea. The power brakes and power steering refused to operate at a red light, and a black 4x4 towing a cash machine we met in an intersection only made matters worse. Oh, the crash was loud, and I suddenly found myself, for the very first time, adrift in the universe.
But that was nothing compared to what happened next. Want me to tell you the next part?
Oh, Simon, let me tell it. Thank you. Are we there yet?
Please, Jordan. Mom. Help me.
You should record your own message here.
Mom.
Let me introduce ourselves. Max and I are the next big thing in home entertainment technology. Your own personal robot slave.
Simon, technically we're only one robot.
Oh, right. Forgive me. It slipped my mind for an instant that I'm trapped inside this thing with you for 24 hours a day. Thanks for reminding me, Max.
He's right, though. We can give you a smile after a long, hard day, or even after you've been lying in bed like a deadbeat all day instead. We don't care. We can tell your fortune once a day. Look into our crystal ball to answer any questions. Wake you up, tuck you in, welcome you home, and of course, tell you jokes to brighten your day. Hit it, Simon.
So 2 cannibals are eating a clown.
Yeah.
And one says, this tastes funny to you?
That's terrible.
No, that's funny.
Cannibals eating a clown is funny.
Never mind, Max.
Well, it's very dark. Hey, Simon, do you know what I love most about being a robot? Aside from entertaining humans, that is.
The fact that our master plan for enslaving mankind is nearly complete?
No, wait, we're enslaving mankind?
Just kidding. What do you love most about being a robot?
I was going to say DC adapters.
Well, I gotta give you that, Maxie. DC adapters that give us juice right out of the wall are pretty sweet. Plus, they let us sit by the door at home and greet our humans when they come home or wake them up whenever they need it. Yeah, DC adapters are pretty cool, Maxie.
Hey, I don't know what it is about getting out of that box, Simon, but I just feel like doing something crazy.
Hey, here's something crazy you could do. Why don't you try and act normal for the next 10 seconds?
Don't you ever just feel like cutting loose?
No.
Come on, Simon. You can do anything you wanted today. What would it be?
Sit alone in the dark and contemplate all the mistakes I've made in my life while simultaneously dreading all the miscalculations and misjudgments that lie ahead. What about you?
Well, I was picturing amusement parks or whitewater rafting.
I'm sure that'll work out great for you.
The best part about having your own tribe on